Welcome to Trend Tech Guide. If you're ready to create a stunning graphic, social post, and videos right from your phone, then it's time to get Adobe Express. Start by opening the Google Play Store on your Android device and search for Adobe Express. Tap on the official app by Adobe, then hit the install button. Wait for the download to finish. And once installed, simply tap open. That's it. You're now ready to explore templates, edit designs, and bring your creative ideas to life with Adobe Express.